Is this another video about a wheel marking gauge? No, this is a Cool Tool Tuesday video about a cool marking gauge. This one. You can dance if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. Hi everybody, my name's Schinbein, and this week on Cool Tool Tuesday I'm going to talk about this wheel marking gauge and what makes it so very, very cool. If you've not used one of these before, you can use it to mark, essentially, score a little line in the edge of a piece of timber when you're doing, your joinery and whatnot. What makes this one in particular very cool is that it has markings right on the actual shaft, I guess, in both metric and imperial sizes, which means you can also use it as a depth gauge if you need to. But it has a micro adjustment wheel in the middle here, I guess you could say, that is very handy. You get roughly where you need it to be and you tighten off the back end, and then you turn this bit here a little bit and it gets right in there. You can dial right in exactly where you need it to be. And then with this wheel, you can just lock it right off and it will not slip, it will not move. It's fantastic. One of the things that I like about this is that the numbers are laser engraved in here, so they're never gonna wear out or rub off. This particular wheel marking gauge is very, very well made. It's solid machined brass and a steel shaft. It comes with an extra cutting wheel that is made out of an HSS alloy steel. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but I'm sure it's great. Very cool unit here from those clever people up there in California at Igaging. So if you need a marking gauge that can also be used as a depth gauge, and we all need more tools that have more than one function because that saves space, this one is a very, very good one. It's very well made, it's well thought through, it will last decades. For more information about this, you can go to their website or Timbecon's website, www.timbecon.com.au, and there you will find everything you need to know to get woodworking. Or you can come into the store and talk to these clever peeps that are hanging out here. Peeps? Am I too old to say peeps? Like always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when clever and fun things come out from these clever peeps at Timbecon. I'm still Schinbein, and I will see you guys when I see ya. Bye!